Nice, 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 nice. Buenos dias, buenos dias, buenos dias. What's up, guys? Welcome. We just opened up, guys. Rundown real quick. I'm bullish for the day. Um, like I said, I was bearish yesterday, and we didn't get that move till like the evening, which is that's annoying. But we ended up basically break even for the day, which is better than taking a full loss. We tapped into this 4-hour busy. The only thing I just don't like is if we take the range from this high to this range, bro. We haven't really hit equilibrium, but we did hit a higher time frame order block, and we are seeing an depression. So I expect this, and I expect this to be the low for the day. This on Tuesday. So I just expect continuation for the rest of the week. Yeah, that's basically it. We had a 1 hour change in the delivery, which is, I tell you, I'm leaning more bullish than actual bearish. I just gotta pay attention to see how we open up, though, of course. But on the 15-minute, we go to the 15-minute. We had SMTs with ES here. I'll show you guys real quick, because I wanted to see these lows taken out first, so I can feel confident into this fair value gap. But we already did that on EQ on ES, so I don't really expect I don't really expect it to come down here anymore. Can it? Yeah, and sweep it one more time, but probably not, I guess. We'll see what we can do reaction though. I'll mark it down either ways. Ideally, I personally do feel a little bit more comfortable taking longs after some stocks been taken, but we'll see. Again, I prefer not to, I guess, but hey. Oh, short-term leverage is better. Hopefully we just wake it and go back in. So yeah, this is my box area here. Running high. Easy one. I just don't like the way the structure is being formed right now, I'm being honest, but we'll wait. We'll wait till after 10. Oh wow, I actually took it here. Okay then, no more SMT then. We might have SMT here now though. We'll see though. We'll see what happens. Alright, we swept it. To a fair value again. Go to the 4-hour real quick. We might go to equilibrium now, who knows? Who knows? We might go deeper, sweep this, and go higher. I don't know. We'll have to wait though. Good morning, by the way. I'm not really trying to go crazy today. It is. I think it's FOMC today, you know? That too. This is a real one. I'm not trying to go crazy. Wow, we're just having a shave marathon. In 30. First presented for value gap. I'm not trying to go crazy, guys. Oh, okay. Look, guys, I have you guys can't really see. I have Mexican money. I have 5 pesos. Um, so we did sweep into it. Yikes. Equal highs. Oh, it's 2 minutes. That's stupid. I'm leaning bullish, but especially because we went down at the opening. But I gotta wait and see what it does right now. $9:30 here. We haven't had a price presented for yet, but yes, interesting. Um, the previous hour's lows. Into a busy. Yeah, you're looking nice for long. I'll wait till 9:50 though. I'll wait till 10. Alright. Yeah, how did I do? Okay. Where we go midnight? Sub stops. Oh wait. Let's see what he wants to do. Let's see if we can reverse this, preferably. Or show me some bullet structure. Ugh, my dog pooped in it. Alright, let me just take this out real quick. Nice. I want to see it get inverted. Preferably, yeah. I'm gonna wait though, because we might come back into 50% of the leg. We can get it wrong though, for sure. I'm gonna see what it does here. We still don't have a first presented, do we? Nope. Not for ES at least. Sixty 34. That's what we do here. You see how we beautifully reflected white? Oh wait, let's see what it does. One out of 10. hit the range ever. Oh yeah, we did. That's crazy, Rayman Q. Changed the delivery. Came back down. Just worked it one more time. There we go. We got the wick. Okay. Wait till 10. Earth bear minimum 950. We might have it all pushed lower. ES looks better in my opinion. Let's see what happens at 10. Wait. What structurally at least? What's the 5 minute? I think I just don't like it this week. I don't know how I would frame this long. Actually, where was it retracing from? Okay, so we finally started inverting this. Nice. Wow. Is it just gonna be a straight shot up? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna just wait to see when we pull back. What do we do? Do we have like a what's the word? Like do we have a short term not sorry SMT or something form? Just wait. strong. I don't really expect it to come down anymore then. No, it just straight shooting up, shooting up. That's tough. Hi, can you explain a bit of what you saw since the beginning? I'm a bit new. Yo, bro. First off, welcome to the journey, my guy. Wish you the best. Got you, Brody. Got you. I don't know how you say name, so I. It's like, dude, I just don't. I'm not usually used to people in the chat. It's gonna take time, Brody. First off, so don't get frustrated if you don't see what I see. I've been there, done that. I expect long today. I will honor the retracement to equilibrium of this range. It's weird because the other contract it does show it, but whatever. Point is, just steady time frame is really more important. This is a fair value gap. It was used as, you could say, as a what's the word? It was used as resistance, right? Resistance, support, resistance. At one point, we were below it. We're above it. It's an inversion. Now it's used as support. Oh, I didn't log in. Whatever. Yeah, this is an order block. It's the last. It's the change in delivery when we were offering downside. Then we switched to close above this. It's now an order block. Mixed with an inversion. So I expect this to act support. Support, yeah, support. You want to lower time frames, just take this range. We did hit this order block. We did see a reaction. They get a 1 hour change in delivery, which is we were offering. You see how we were down, and then we finally closed above it here. That's a change in delivery. That means the market's now, you could say it's a high chance the market's ready to go higher. Go to the 15-minute. That's your thing. What's it called? Your well, mine. Sorry, that's my time frame where I begin to look for setups. At opening, we just closed, thinking everybody's gonna go lower. My draw was here. Like I said, we want to go higher. This is my draw. These equal highs. This landed high, and I guess eventually here. The only thing that was just a little tricky was I just wanted to wait for some things for like confirmation, because this is it could have easily held and gone lower. You know, this could have held and gone lower, but just experience it. And I guess what is it called? And yeah, just experience, really, intuition. I guess it's a thing. It just swept it, and now I want to go higher. But the point is, right now we could go lower to retrace into this 15-minute order block. Sorry, it's a lot of terminology, bro. That's the thing is, I'm gonna confuse it. I'm just gonna make you upset. The point is, bro, we went down to go up. That's what I look for always. I want to see someone get taken out before I go the opposite way. Yeah, dude. So I was just waiting for this. I want to see I wanted to see this get inverted. Right here. Oh shoot, my bad. Yeah. So now it's an inversion for me. Like I said, it was used as support at one point. Now it was used as it was used as resistance, right? Resistance is the bottom, right? Or is it the top? I don't know. I've never really got to those terms. But point is, we're using this as a bungee jump now to go the opposite. We gotta know where the price is going first off. That's the rule number one. Yeah, bro. So right now I'm just waiting for continuation really for these highs, but the problem is, bro, I don't really see my entry, if I'm being honest. And that's really what's just a little holding me back from taking the trade. And if I can't really find my entry, then I can't really get into a trade, you know? Like, technically, I could have gone in from. Where did it go? Give me a second. It's now a breaker. I'm thinking, dude. It's not really my entry, bro. I don't want to get it impulsively, you know? Alright, bro. I was looking at the chart. I didn't really look at the chart. But I am looking for longs, Brody. I'm looking for longs. Now, the question is, though, how do I get into these longs, though? That's the real question. We haven't closed. I gotta look at my other chart. Oh, bro, it's been crazy right up. So what I'm gonna do right now, bro, I'm gonna wait for retracement, right? From this area, you could say. This area, from this line. And then I'm gonna see in the lower time frames if we can have a SMT, which is where you'll see a. Oh, I don't like that. You gotta be very careful right now, dude. And it's the day before FOMC. Oh, it's FOMC later in the afternoon. So I really don't want to take a trade. Well, if I do, it's just gonna be a little trade like yesterday. I took 2 little trades, 1 win, 1 loss. No, 1 loss, 1 win. I don't know, bro. If this close above it now, would be a 15-minute change in delivery. I don't think we should come down here no more, especially if we're closing above these candles now. We should just look for continuation to this and this. Let me take this off. I was upset because yesterday I was looking for shorts here, and then we ended up getting short in the afternoon. Well, in the yeah, like during lunch session. Like look at this, bro. Look at this beautiful dump, dude. I was looking for shorts after taking out London high, running into a higher time frame. Sibi and a inversion. So I wanted to see this melt. We did get a little bit part of the move after 11, which is funny because I was meant to stream. I'm like, yo, I'm gonna catch shorts. I see this, dude. So my original first short was, I believe, I gotta look into it, but I believe my first short was here. I believe. I gotta make sure. I'm not really 100% sure. I forgot. And then at 11, we ended up taking the high again, the previous hour high, and we ended up having the market structure shift. And then I got in here, like that, dude. My stop loss was here, and I was going for this, but I just saw the way the market was moving with the slow. But yes, it had an SMT, and then it just was having a huge pullback. And as you can see, technically, we would never been stopped out. But am I really gonna hold for that? Nah, I'm not gonna do this. If the move is not continuing, and then per thing, I'm just gonna get out. So I just got out like somewhere. I literally left like somewhere here. And I'm like, alright, whatever. I'm done for the day. And then we did get a low, but I was only looking for shorts just into equilibrium with the range. I was telling you about it earlier. I was looking for short for this equilibrium for this leg to go higher now. But the market is really weird right now. I can't find my entry, dude. I can't find it. I just can't find it. Technically, I could do this, like if I'm really confident, like from the inversion, stop loss here, and then go for pre-market for London high. But I don't trade like that, dude. In the beginning, you probably will be. You're impulsive and stuff, but you get better and more mature. And you lose, and you're like, oh. Like it wasn't my trade, you know, and then you're just upset. You're just beating yourself to it. So I just kind of stopped with that, dude. Java, I like your name. Oh man, but yeah, dude, that's why I'm just a little upset right now. I don't know how to catch my thing. This trade. I'm gonna wait for an SMT or something to form. It is 10 o'clock now. It is 10 o'clock. We are taking it into a 5-minute fair value gap. I want to see if we stay above that. think I'm coach my level. The only thing that really bothers me is this. Oh, that's a nice down by 10. That's a nice dump at 10 o'clock. That's a really nice dump at 10. I'm gonna take this out. I know where I'm at. I don't want to confuse you guys and stuff. I prefer to have a retracement back into equilibrium of some sort. I don't like that. Yeah, I prefer not to go above this wick, dude. Lower it again. Yeah, this is pretty strong. I'm not gonna lie. It has better structure too. I'm really waiting for a break higher to go long or something. I'm looking for longs, like I said. That's my bias. I'm gonna take that off. If I could see an immediate pullback, I'll get in with the small size. Oh, you kidding me, dog? Oh man, I'll get in with the change in delivery. It's fine. Oh god, I gotta close my Windows tab real quick. Oh, I always choose the wrong thing. I gotta be weird sometimes. Okay. Alright, bro. I'm in this. My bad, guys. I had to log into my. Oh, that hurts. Alright, bro. I gotta wait. Nice momentum. I don't want to chase this move. I'm gonna wait. We completely just freaking inverted this like crazy. This is a breaker. BPR. This is the change center I'm trying to get in from. This is the auto block now. Change to delivery. Oh wait, let's see what it does now. I'm waiting to get in from. Get it tagged in from. What time is it? 10:04. I'm gonna go with one. It's fine. The dog is fine. Ugh, come on, dude. For real, you're not gonna tag me in? Okay, how about that? No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Actually, no, yeah. I think I gotta type in. It's a little FOMO kicking in, but just try to take your soul. Oh man, that hurts. Come on, tag me in, dog. Whoa, that was a big candle. The Lonely High is pretty good. Again, I kind of want to start seeing displacement now and all that extra stuff. I kind of just want to take a one-on-one, really. One thing I'm wondering is if we ever reach 50% of this level. But I was basing my trade off of this at M5 and M5. I want to see continuation, close above her. I told you guys I'm gonna wait for the inversion. And then continue higher, but I just want to take a one-on-one, dude, especially the way the market's been. What RR is this? Ugh. I don't like this new wig opening gap rejection. It's fine. I'm gonna stop. Why? Because we already closed above this. I'm not trying to see a drifting back into this. I expect this leg to hold, really. Nice. There we go. Opening gap rejection. Look at that rejection, dude. Beautiful. I want to see how the 5's closing, really. Mm-hmm. I mean, so far so good. Everything's looking nice. I'm not really complaining. I just want to start seeing expansion, really. To the London High. I just want to take a one-on-one, bro. Especially the way the market's been acting. And it's a FOMC. I'll see how I react around here. What the fuck did I just do? What did I just do? I'm moving to break even. What did I just do? It was sell limit, not. I sold one. I don't like that weird thing. It's taking too long. I meant to sell, not add. I gotta stop with these little games. Nah, I'm moving to break even now. Yeah, I'm waiting for this one to get in taken. I think we're expansion phase now. Wow, not a profit. Look at me, guys. Move to break even. Where did I get it from? Oh yeah, this came from the other. Wait, what the freak did I get it from? Oh, it added this one. I got it from. Wait, where did I get it from? Oh, I got it from here. I just want to take that, but I'll be patient. Hopefully, it gives me at least London High. What I will. Oh shoot! Nope, 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 no. I didn't realize thing he had already taken it. I'm close. I'm asking for much. Yeah. There we go. I close, guys. I didn't see that thing had already taken it. Yeah, I closed. I guess I could have to break even, but I'm not playing around with profit, guys. We're up a good amount too. I guess that's where I gotta work my little discipline a little more, but yeah, I'm good. My stop loss would have been break even though for sure. Uh, what time is it? I don't care if it goes to thingy. Hey man, good trade I guess, but I'm good. I don't like this working too. If it wasn't for FOMC morning, I would have hit the first share for you, but I'm willing not to do that today. I'm not doing that. So at least I found a long, which is cool. I was patient. I was patient. I was patient because I told you I wanted to wait for a 5 minute. I wanted to wait for retracement really, but the thing is, this reaction was so strong right here, and I was waiting for. I wanted to get it from here, but I was like, I would just wait for the change in delivery. Like we were look at this drop and then boom after hitting a 5 minute, like it was just bullish. Everything was bullish for me at the after the 9:30. After this, like it began to get really like I guess I was a little worried about this not hit oh, it actually didn't equilibrium. Oh wow, that's a nice move. Whatever, it's fine, it's fine. We don't care. We take our money and go. It actually did hit 50%. That's crazy. But technically, it would be here, not really there. But point is, I saw this rejection immediately. I'm like, yo, I gotta get in, bro. I actually got in from there. It never really hit me entry. That's funny. But a good thing I got in from the wick because we were just so strong. It was just intuition at that point. It was intuition. So I think we made back the thing. Yeah, I'm trying to hit 52 at least 53. So sorry. Wow, that's a nice trade. And if you pay attention, look where the body. That's what I'm saying. I kind of had a feeling we weren't gonna go down here no more. Something I gotta look into right now is the which one would be considered a breakaway gap and which one would be considered a regular. I just saw the body. Look at the bodies. They're just waking us. I'm like, yeah, I gotta get in. That's why I was like here, but I was like, I don't think we could hit this or. I was like, you know what? Let me not miss the move for a little tick. So I'm like, I was just getting it from the thingy, which is here. This was a mistake. I meant to sell one. I won. Here. We actually did up tagging us for ES, but I ended up getting tagged here basically. This would change the delivery on the 1-1 with the version. Yeah, just too clean, bro, too clean. And then I just wrote. I wanted to ride it to London High, but the market's been so wow. The market's been so weird. It's been so. I was just not willing to take the risk, you know, especially when we were up already like a good amount. But yeah, this was nice move up. They actually tagged us nicely there, but it's cool. We still haven't hit it. That's the thing, dude. Look at ES. Look at London. Let's go to the 15 minute. Let's not get lost in the lower time frames. Wow, that's cool. Oh my gooshness. I told you I was bullish overall, especially with this move. Once we close above this, I didn't really expect it to move you no more. That's why I was like, I felt confident with that 1 minute. At least I found my entry. I don't care. It was a little hard to do for sure because I kind of expected this to get held, just a wick and then boom. But like this kind of tripped me up, like this move right here. You know what? Like I could easily just put a 50% trade weight here and then But I was like, nah, I'm gonna wait. Every time, hey, anybody who subscribed, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Wait, why didn't it show up on my stream then? I gotta give you a proper shout out, dog. I'm like, yo, what the fuck? Yo, I guys came like, what the fuck is this guy? That's just yo, it scared the shit out of me. I'm like, yo, who the fuck is this guy? Because I'm looking at the OBS screen. I'm looking at this screen. I'm looking at this screen. I'm like, who the fuck is that? I'm like, yo, what the fuck? Did I get hacked? I was like, give me a second, guys. Let me just log into my Streamlabs real quick. Yo, that just scared the shit out of me. Oh my goodness, that's funny. That's so funny. That's a nice trade though. Hopefully the markets are like they're good again, you know, because like I've been struggling with like I ain't gonna lie, bro. I've been struggling to find my edge or find my. It's been tough, dude. It's been tough. I don't know why it's showing me. That's a nice trade though. It's cool. What I'm looking for is my previous subscriptions. I don't know why it's not showing up. How can you check on the dashboard the we did another night, which is amazing. Amazing. Wow, yes was nice, dude. It was already giving us a hint it was a stronger one. Why was it a stronger one? London came down here. Look where London came down. He didn't even take it. So it's already giving us hints. But listen, the reason why I don't like taking ES is because most of the time I realize ES will be the one that creates the SMT. For example, right? It's cool. Like it's a stronger one here. Like nice. Okay, we took it. I'll show you guys. So it's not like confusing. But look, right? It didn't take it. It made it equal. So this is an SMT. Right? Smart money. I don't know. I don't really care what it means. I mean, what it stands for, but it basically just means that the market is showing us which one is gonna be. It's giving us the hand of which market because they should move in pairs. Ideally, this is an SMT. So as I was saying, this is already giving us the hint that it was a strong one. But the only reason why I didn't like ES is because they just say most of the time, right? Like we're going up, right? At ES, what we do, ES will go lower, take this out, and then go higher, right? Whereas NQ won't. NQ would be usually like this, right? And then ES will be the one that takes the thing. He makes an SMT at the M1 and then goes higher. And that's usually where I move. That's where I move my stop loss. For example, after I have a closure here, I just move it here. ES will be the one that will take this, or even like this, then go high. And it's just a little annoying, but technically, like I think once I get funded, I'm not gonna like move my stop loss. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take partials. Because at the end, bro, I don't really care about like I'm not trying to blow the account. I'm trying to keep it. You know. So yeah, that's really what I'm waiting for. I just need almost I don't know close to 1400 to 1400 to pass the challenge. That's a nice trade, but like I said, bro, like hopefully I don't care. Like I'm willing to miss today for like the next days to be a nice trade. Oh, you did subscribe. What the hell? Oh no, wait no. Wait no, it's not showing. Why? Wait, what the? Hold up. Wait, is it that's why? There we go. Okay, that wait, who's the why? So why is it not showing up as my subscriptions? Can somebody subscribe just to show me how it goes? I don't know, whatever, it's fine. But yeah, dude, I mean, it's been a messy one today, dude. I ain't gonna lie. It's messy. I guess, yeah. I don't know. I mean, what's one of my performers? I'm being honest. My stop loss was gonna move here. Due to it, yeah. I'm just gonna like this. I'll study this. Just slowly going up now. Yeah, why didn't it high? Where? It's probably old. Yeah, it's old. Like this rejection. This inverse didn't even get tapped into. This is also a breaker. That's what I'm saying. I didn't really expect the market to come here no more, especially after what they already had done. And he tapped into a break where the fair value a bit hold. That's what that's when I do this break arm half, and I'm like, I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna just like impulsively get in from the equilibrium and go higher because it could easily take me lower and whatever. But I was gonna say I was gonna wait for it to go lower and then look at the lower time frames to see what it show me. You know, it could have continued lower, and as soon as I see something like a nice, I don't know, whatever it is, inversion, whatever, then I would get on from the lower time frames, which is basically what I did. The difference is this one was just so strong. Like I just saw this move quickly. I'm like, sheesh. Right here. I just saw this huge up candle, change in delivery. I was like, yeah, I gotta get in this, bro. And then obviously this happens, but I don't know. I mean, I don't really care. Hopefully we're now in a position where the market's gonna start just trending. Took a W. Hell yeah, you too. Yeah, bro, I took one. Oh, it was like we made like 160 or something like that. But this doesn't matter, dude. This does not matter. Trust me, bro. Cause the thing is, dude, I got in here. Yo, if you took a trade today, that was actually pretty cool, bro. You're learning pretty quick, homie. Good. I'll show you why I was bullish before market, bro. If you go to the 4 hour, let me go to NQ1. You took a trade? Yeah, bro. I took a long. Remember I told you I was looking for shorts yesterday? Surprise, they played out. But I wanted to tap back into his order block. That's why I was looking for shorts. You tapped into it today. Look at this rejection. Boom. Inversion. Boom. 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 Let's run this inversion middle line. Rejecting it. Bodies. Look at the body. Yeah, I was looking for long, bro. I expected this to be the low for the day. If you go to the 1 hour, which is you go to the 1 hour, we already had a change in delivery. Down. Boom. We closed it above here. To be honest with you, bro, I was not expecting this low. I didn't want it to be, but I preferred it to be. Good morning, my guy. Because when I came into the morning, dude, when I came into the morning, I saw this, and I'm like, okay, I want to see it taking low. But then I look at ES, right? I look at ES during that time too. I look at ES. Where is it here? I look at ES, right? Look at ES, and ES are taking it. So what's it? SMT, right? They're right there. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna see how the opening happens. I want to see what the opening does. So I was already bullish from here. Like I'm like, okay, I already tapped into this 15-minute. Because if it hadn't taken it, it was equal. I would have wanted to go on short and then go long. But 9:30 happens, and then we just straight dump, bro. Like, okay, cool. 9:30 happens here. We just dump, right? And I see this huge. The 1 minute obviously looks crazy. We see this dump. But I realized that this wick was formed. I'm like, oh shit. Okay, I'm still long. I'm already long from the higher time frames. I'm expecting this for sure to hold. For sure. Yeah. So then I just started looking for why am I waiting to be long? I'm waiting for inversions to happen, you know? I'm waiting for inversions to happen. We finally have a chance to deliver the 5, which is good. But I was willing to shoot long from here already, because I was already bullish for the market. And I see this huge move. I'm like, oh shit. I was kind of getting a little FOMO, not gonna lie. But I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna wait. Like I could have easily done this, like where I put my trade in equilibrium. And I guess here, but it's just not my type of way of trading, dude. If I'm being honest, especially because I'm not really good with the 5 minute. I'm really good with the scalping mode. So I was like, nah, okay. So I'm like, you know what? That's not really worth it as much as well. But then I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna wait for a reaction here and here into this leg, into this fair value gap, to this order block. I mean breaker, fair value gap, like inversion. Like I didn't even want price to be coming down here more. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna wait for the price to come down here, and on the lower time frame, I'm gonna wait for price to show me that it's ready to go higher. So then I'm okay, cool. I'm like, okay, cool. I'm waiting that guy at 10, and then I see this 5 minute, and I see this wick. I'm like, ah, shit. Okay. On the lower time frames, when I was waiting for that move, I'm like, okay, he could go lower. I'm expecting to go lower. But then I see this huge momentum candle right there, an inversion like crazy, bro. It's something you see like in the moment, like you see the strength behind it, and then you have a change in delivery. Down, 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 down. Boom, we finally close above it here. I get in here, and I also I also saw like it was holding this first one. So I'm just gonna get it from here, and then my stop loss was basically just here, dude. Really, just here. By this point, we already had this fair value gap, water block. I'm good. And then yeah, bro, I literally just take it, and obviously it eventually just ends up playing long. Same thing with ES, and then that. The only reason why I cut it short for the reason was because at this time at the wicks, dude. And what time is this? 10:15. See, we had already taken it, so the market's been in a place where it's just been, you know, trash. So I'm like, I'm not gonna get selfish and try to force it too hard. Can I have a way? I guess, but it's just the market's been so trash, bro. It just doesn't give me options to think. And Av is still going high, but I don't really care. But I am so bullish, so hopefully this is the beginning of the market beginning to open up and get a little better. It's probably going to tap into that 1 hour fair value. Yeah, I saw it too earlier. The above it, right? This one, right? Probably because there's sell stops here too. You see? The things, bro, we're in a market condition where like just the way the market doesn't allow us to take like big moves. This one, right? I saw I marked it before. I got in my. It looked nice too. But the change in deliveries and the higher time frame are very important, dude. And knowing like where you are in the higher time frame. You see, we tapped into a 4-hour busy here. Into a daily order block, which is more important, really. Daily order block into an inversion for rally gap right here. So I was already looking for longs, bro. No matter what. The question was like, I don't know how I wanted to see style stops taken out for sure. Because something with me, bro, I'm not really good with like let's just say this holds, right? Like the S&P did hold and then like continue. I'm not really crazy good with that. The only reason I got confident long because we took the sell stops right here into a fair value gap. I'm pretty sure if you run a fib, it's OTE. Yeah, but I only use OT as like my last minute reserve. Like, but yeah, this is looking nice for longs. No issue for sure. Into this 1 hour. These are nice, but the thing is, bro, it's FOMC, bro, man. I wasn't expecting this type of move today, really. I was expecting like a 1-on-1 get out. Yeah, man, whatever. Yeah, dude, I'm looking for this here now. If we continue higher, and if we just create more, let's say we create more fair value gaps at the what is it called? Finish, okay. Let's say we create more fair value gaps here. I'm just gonna wait till continue logging, take out these highs. So this is my boss. This is my draw here. But yeah, man, where did you take the long from though? This was hard. I ain't lying. This was really hard. I just had to wait for something here. Which was here. I got it. I was waiting for this, some sort of rejection. It was a hard market today, dude. It wasn't clean because like we were just having so much up and down, up and down. My gosh, this was very, very stressful today. Not gonna lie. People feel like they want to become traders. After the FOMC, I'm gonna increase my risk again. Go slowly, because I'm close to passing the challenge. So I'm gonna start buffing up a little bit more. Start risking like 500 just to pass it, dude. I don't care at this point. Once I have the account, I'm just gonna take it very slow, man. Very slow. Like, I'm just gonna be risking like 100, bro. I don't care, bro. That's real money now. Remember, that's real $100 right there, bro. So if I could just make like 100 or 200 a week, dude, just from easy, bro. Like I don't, and then use that same money to buy more Apex accounts. I'm probably gonna buy more Apex accounts. Think about it, bro. If you could just get 200K from it, dude, 100K from it, bro, all you just need to risk like not even like half a percent, and not even like just 1/4% of that. I'm gonna buy another one of this one. and then just link the two, and then eventually just but I need to obviously pass that camp first of all. It was pretty. I don't know if Tanya took a trade today. Well, she didn't stream today. Probably because she's waiting for FOMC, I'm assuming. Nobody that I watch took a trade today. Oh yeah, someone did. Yeah. I don't know who he is, but he's on the my funded thingy.
We did point out this trade on my stream. I also live stream on my YouTube as well.
You see,
So,
that's the thing I was telling you about. It's the SMT, the breaker. I got it from here though. I was ready to go lower though. Like I didn't expect this to like just push it up.
Any of the viewers that followed me over here to get an update on the position, it's time to start closing out those longs.
Oh yeah, you see, he gets in from the 5 minute. I'm not good with the like things. I know the five's gonna take long. Like that's why, and I just something that really pisses me off is like waiting for the 5 minute and then just completely getting lost. I mean waiting for like an hour and then just getting stopped out. So.
Aim for 2R.
But yeah.
We use the unicorn model.
Yeah, this is what I was telling you guys about. You see it?
Enter at the beginning of the breaker. We put a stop at the low.
Yeah, you see, that's what I'm saying. I was expecting this to come like here, but I prefer not to.
We aim for 2R. Now that we're approaching 2R, this is the moment in time that I would say, don't be so greedy that you're one tick away from your take profit and you don't close your trade. Don't be that greedy individual that loses a beautiful trade. I mean, this thing didn't even see any drawdown.
Yeah, it didn't.
It went right to your target.
Yeah, but it
don't
was
be so greedy that just because it's 1 point away from 2R that you let this thing turn around on you. Okay, so just a quick update before I go into the information for any of my viewers.
He trades ICT though.
Viewers that followed me over here on this live stream.
But yeah, I mean, it was a good trade, I guess. It was. I just didn't like the way the breaker was here. Like it wasn't too convincing. Like I prefer this. I wish this would have been the breaker. Right here, but it wasn't the breaker. This was the last candle. Maybe on ES a delicate cleaner. Oh yeah, slightly more cleaner, I guess, but I preferred it to have it this. But it wasn't. It's this candle, guys. The breaker is the last that up close candle before the move break high. Like you see how we have up, and then we have a bearish candle, and then we have an up candle. Then this would have been if this would have been like a green candle. They just say the doji, then this whole thing would have been the breaker. But since it was like a pause in the market, that would have been the breaker. And yeah, but I don't really like breakers are nice to have, but I don't really use them unless they're like on the lower time frame for like market structure shift. Like on the 5, like that's what I'm like. I'm just going to wait for this retracement, and then I saw this immediate rejection. That's why I got it from here. And my stop loss was literally just here, and it just lowered my instead of having all the way down here, I had it here. But the thing is, it is risky too sometimes because the market will just thing. But it was just so bullish at this point when I saw it go along. So I'm bidding it. I didn't risk a lot. I only risked like 100, I think. And 110. Two mining contracts. So yeah, that's why I'm just like, that's cool. But yeah, I'm on the stream here, guys. It was alright. Like I don't know how I feel. Like I feel like it was a good trade, but then I feel like it wasn't. It wasn't. And the only reason I say it wasn't because I wanted like I guess a little deeper retracement to feel more confident to go high, and it was kind of risky, but it was just like an impulsive trade. But it was also mixed with like a intuition trade. It's intuition that really got me in here. It was intuition, really. Yeah, my stop loss was here. But yeah, the thing is, that's why I don't really like 5 minutes as much because then I expect them to take longer. And yeah, but it's what it is. I don't really care. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It is FOMC later. I don't know if I'm gonna trade later. I don't know. We have FOMC at 2. We could just consolidate now. But I think this was a good trade. Like if it wasn't FOMC, I would have for sure went a little lot with bigger precision. But it is what it is. Thank you guys for being here. See you guys tomorrow. We have news. Oh, today's a hot. Tomorrow's a holiday. Holiday. It's the end of slavery. Oh, really? Oh, not even in the United States though. Mexico, bro. Oh man. But yeah. I guess I don't know. I'll see something pops up later. Really, not really trying to risk my profits back. You know, I'm just trying to end the week with a pretty good amount. I would definitely take it any day of the week. Yeah. Peace out. Thank you guys for being here. I appreciate it. And for the person who asks me like, what do I see? It's gonna take time, bro. Trust me. And you're gonna get frustrated. I'm not gonna sugarcoat that as well. You're gonna get hella frustrated because you're like, what the fuck? Like I still get that feeling too when I see other streamers and I take the losing trade and they take the winning trade, and then they're like, you're like, what the hell did I? Why did I just lose? Like, what did you see that I didn't see? And yeah, you're really just gonna eventually come upon your own self that we did tap into it beautifully. That's always really long, and then the Lord Tampa will confirm for me. Change and delivery. I just don't. Yeah, it was right. It was a good trade. Not gonna lie, but just the way execution was, it was a little foamy, kind of. I don't know. That's the thing. I kind of feel mixed today. I kind of feel like at a three to like out of a 5 stars, I feel like it was like a three. Just the entry, because everything else was alright. It was like telling me to go long, but it's what it is. I'll see you guys hopefully Friday. No, but we don't trade today. I'll see.